What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I was working on this song and I was messing with these ad-libs, and I wanted to show you guys how I got my effects down for my ad-libs. So these ad-libs came out incredible. They sound so good with the effects on them too. Without the effects, they still sound good. But I was just working on the song for a minute and I just wanted to show you guys what I did. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So we have the song pulled up, and it is a song from a client of mine, and he has these really like reverby, like mystical background intro ad libs type thing. It sounds super cool. I'm gonna play it for you with the plugins off, right? And I'm gonna show you what it sounds like, and then we're gonna play it with the plugins on as well. We'll take both of those off, and then we'll go ahead and we'll run this real quick. So this is what it sounds like dry.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, on daddy, he go crazy, yeah. Yeah, hey, bitch.
They sound really good. So the first thing obviously is adding your normal um reverb delay that you like to use for your ad-lib bus. So with me, I'm using just a long haul and I'm just feeding it a little bit. And then I also have a 1/4 delay on it, and this is what it sounds like with those two on it.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, on daddy, he go crazy, yeah. Hey, bitch.
So lots of reverb, lots of 1/4 delay. Now, here's where the sauce actually comes in. We have a couple plugins that we used. The first one is AutoPan, and the reason why we used AutoPan is to pan the vocal across this stereo spectrum. It's doing its job. We'll listen to it with that on.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, on daddy, he go crazy, yeah.
So you can hear it going back and forth between your headphones or your speakers that you're using to listen to this. Now, the next thing that we have on this is a distortion plugin. It's actually the stock distortion plugin, air distortion, and we have it on 15 dB and 19% for the mix, and it's just giving it a little more grit.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, on daddy, he go crazy, yeah. Hey.
Another delay that I have on this from Comeback Kid, and this is what it is. It is a 1/4 delay again at 21 on the feedback. Yes, I'm doubling up the delay. It sounds so good. And 18 on the tape, 14 on the sauce, high cut and a low cut at 236 hertz, and the high cut at around 556. And this is what that sounds like.
Yeah. Hey, on daddy, he go crazy, Hey, bitch.
This is what it sounds like in context to the music. So I'm just gonna play this one tiny section real quick. So you get the gist of what's going on. Real like in the back, but like it just feels like real lush. So there's one more plugin. We have Valhalla Vintage Verb. This is the last plugin. This is just giving it a extra reverb, and this is the settings that I have on it. Mix on 24, pretty high actually. Low pre-delay and a high decay time, and I have it on ambience. So this is what it sounds like with that extra reverb on it. Sounds good, right? The rule to mixing is if it sounds good, then it is good. So just because I put a reverb on here doesn't mean I can't come up here and add whatever plugin that I want to make it sound how I want it to sound. So yeah, after it's all said and done, this is what it sounds like.
Yeah. Hey, on daddy, he go crazy,
So soft, so lush. That's how I did it. Again, this is the plugin that I used, and this is the settings that I used. Same with this one right here. I'll even go across these so you can see the numbers that I used. You can use this exact setting. You can also swap this out for H delay and just copy the same settings. Distortion plugin. This is my settings. Pan settings, just link the tempo and it takes care of it for you. You can widen it or whatever you want to do. And then the auto tune, of course, but that's like a part of the song. I figured this would be a super useful thing to show you guys, so I just figured I'd make a super quick video on it. So I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you want to check out this vocal template, you can find it on my website at mixedbyeddieofficial.com. It's there. If you need any preset kits or if you want to check out my apparel, you can also go to the website and you can find that there. Again, it's mixedbyeddieofficial.com. I'll leave a link below in the description for you to go check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.